November Kilo Echo. Thank you very much. Thank you for calling. Thank you, John 73 for Florida. Good luck. QRZ VX station, which is Yankee United 3 Echo America. Radio Kilo station. Roger, Kilo 2, Tango Radio Kilo, Roger. Kilo 2, Mike Radio Kilo, Roger. Roger, Kilo 2 India Radio Kilo, 5959. My name is Janko, like Julian Alpha November Kilo Oscar, Roger.
So this is station from Serbia, Yankee United 3, Echo Alpha, and Janko. This is the picture he has on his QRZ page. So little setup and little nice little shack there. So as you see here, I'm listening and using my Icom IC R8500. I know some of you will be happy to see this in action today. I'll probably be posting a few videos of things I've been listening today. I'm actually outside. Look at that. So using my radio outside, of course, using it with the W6LVP loop right here. It is a little close to the telephone and the fiber optic cables, but it works well. There's a little bit of interference, but you know, you got to deal with it, as they say. Beautiful, nice day outside, and mid to upper 70s today. So it's pretty nice to listen to the radio outdoors, actually. So Icom IC R8500 in action, 20-meter band, 14177. And this is a Serbian ham radio operator calling CQ.
United Zulu Yankee again. Roger, Kilo Bravo 2 United Zulu Yankee. Thank you very much. Thank you for call for your 59 plus in West Serbia. Roger. Roger, thank you very much. 73, good luck. QRZ, Yankee United 3, Echo America, please outside. Southern November, Fox Yankee. Golf Bravo, please stand by. Only station outside of Europe. November station, November 7, Fox Yankee, please,